I will treat others with kindness, even when we are different. I will not be a bully, and I will stand up for those who are bullied and not stay silent.
We had an assembly with the entire school to talk about bullying and harassment, and then a week later, we individually all, as a leadership class, went into mentor classes and talked about the importance of being dedicated to being better than that as a school. And we really just wanted to make a change within our school.
We just had a class presentation where the students themselves got to act out scenarios and then themselves take the pledge. Now we will have a banner that they can sign and they will receive wristbands. We're trying to raise awareness about the bullying and also change the culture of our school. We're trying to take our incidents from about 15 students who are being bullied to 0. It'll just create a safer school environment and a happier place for people to be.
It's been great to see our school kind of rally around this new project. Saw a need through a survey that we did at the end of trimester 2, and our leadership kids have taken a role in leading out on this anti-bullying campaign, starting this pledge and getting a school-wide initiative going. It's been fun to see them interacting with one another, trying to come up with different ideas and putting it together to where all students can come together and make a difference. So it's a great opportunity for us to see some change for good, and we hope to see that this continue throughout the rest of the school year and into next. And so hopefully this will be something that we can continue on.